Hey there, fellow gardeners. Have you ever wished your garden could offer more than just the same colors every day? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into some amazing color-changing flowers that can turn your garden into a magical, ever-changing oasis of vibrant hues. Let's get started. First up, we have the stunning hydrangea. This flower's color depends on the pH of your soil. In acidic soil with a pH of 5.0 to 5.5, these beauties bloom blue, while in alkaline soil with a pH of 6.5 to 7, they turn a soft pink. So, whether you want a serene blue vibe or a romantic pink, hydrangeas can deliver. Next, meet the uniquely named Yesterday, Today, Tomorrow flower. These blooms change color over 3 days. On day 1, they bloom a rich violet, then turn a soft lavender, and finally, they become white by day 3. It's like watching time unfold right in your garden. Now, let's talk about the Confederate rose. These papery blooms put on a color show throughout the day. They start out white in the morning, shift to pink by midday, and finish the day a deep red. It's an entire color journey from sunrise to sunset. Another fascinating plant is the lantana. These colorful blooms transform after pollination, turning from red with yellow centers to intense red and orange. It's like nature's way of saying, mission accomplished, once the bees have done their job. The delicate lungwort offers a charming transformation from red to blue as its tubular flowers age. This transition happens over 6 to 8 days, so it's a slow, graceful color shift that you can enjoy all week long. Do you want some pastel magic? The beautiful larkspur displays blue blooms in acidic soil, but if you increase the pH, they'll turn a pale pink or even white. It's a fun experiment for any gardener who loves subtle changes. Here's one that thrives on maturity. 4 o'clocks. As these flowers mature, their colors change from yellow to dark pink, and white flowers can even turn purple. It's an ever-evolving spectacle. If you're into experimenting with your plants, you'll love the butterfly pea. Although its flowers are usually blue or white, you can tweak the pH of the soil and watch them turn purple. Add a bit of lime juice for a fun color change. Now, let's talk about a real pro, morning glory. These flowers start the day blue and gradually shift towards pink or red as the day goes on. If you're looking for a day-long transformation, morning glories won't disappoint. Finally, though not a flower, we can't leave out poinsettias. You can change the color of their vibrant bracts by exposing them to darkness for 10 to 12 hours a day over a week or two. This gives you the chance to create bold, festive displays when the holidays roll around. And there you have it, 10 beautiful color-changing flowers that will bring endless variety and magic to your garden. Whether you're into subtle changes or dramatic shifts, there's something here for everyone. If you loved this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and drop a comment telling us which flower you're excited to grow. See you in the next video, and happy gardening!